in WWE history. He's now a six-time Intercontinental Champion, holding Chris Jericho and The Miz have held the title more times. I love when guys say what they want. When they say, I want to be at the top, I want to be in the main event. You've got two guys in Drew and Dolph that don't shy away from the spotlight, and that's something I love in competitors. They really didn't shy away from it. They stepped right into it. Drew earlier today, he told me, we actually have a great deal of respect for Seth Rollins and what he's accomplished in his hard work ethic. The fact is, Seth presented an opportunity and Dolph capitalized. A little preview of Extreme Rules. The Ziggler, the Intercontinental Champion, will start this tag match off against Seth Rollins. It is eating Seth Rollins up inside, the fact that he's no longer the Intercontinental Champion. But the one thing he's doing, Michael, he's owning it. He's owning potentially his own mistake and saying, I'm going to look into the future. The future for me is Extreme Rules.
Ulu di pati taya o yola. Mulai kau macam kandi jago jauh yola. Masih terjun dia. Cepati kopi se. Ni berapa?
Saya apa ya? Oh, anak.
Lấy mày đắc khơi feeling beat mà.
Extreme Rules 30-minute Iron Man. See, that's the thing, Corey, that these two know each other so well. It'll be interesting to see what they're able to bring to the table that the other doesn't. There comes Drew McIntyre, 6'5", 265 pounds from Ayr, Scotland. A former Intercontinental Champion.
Này vào là this bird tôi mỗi ăn cao phải đâu phải chỉ là đi cho đi gì tôi hay à. Ya chỉ tôi tin nhung tiếng phun tôi try à. Cao là trong nhìn nè, hui chụp party việc cho tin. Cao là trong nhìn nè. À, thì cậu ơi tao mà trang tu. Ở bà nè. Phan chính tao à.
Sự dính nè. Cô bé cái tay đi tê phong á. Cảm ơn thầy tụ mà là xin thầy mình tụ à. Này nó. Này nó. Cái xuống dưới này kìa.
Thầy chứ. Thank you for